Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Puniparam 123. It's been a long time since I posted a long video, and today's video is going to be about how can you make your Windows 10 taskbar look like a Windows 11 one. This is going to be a simple step-by-step tutorial, so please follow it without skipping any step so that the things will be done very smoothly. So first, go to the description and there will be a Google Drive file for this file Windows 10 like 11. Click on download and you'll get a zip file if you extract you'll get this file Windows 10 like 11. Now in this, first go to the Themepatcher and install this Themepatcher. What does this software do? So windows windows actually blocks out all the third party themes, but this actually bypasses them and unlocks it. And after I have done that, you can manually reboot it later. And then go to the themes. Now here, after coming to themes, copy all the files and now go to this PC, C drive, and go to Windows, and out of all this click R on your keyboard and go to resources. In resources, go to themes and paste all your themes here. Click on continue and your themes are pasted. You can close this. Now go to personalize, and here in personalize go to themes and you can select your Windows 11 themes. Like I will take 11 light. So Windows 11's light and dark themes are a little different compared to Windows 10's. So that's why we are installing Windows 11 themes. So let's click on Windows 11 light. Now next thing, go to wallpapers. You can download this wallpaper for the Windows 11 look. Uh, like I'm going to stay on my wallpaper. And now what I want you to do is go to your browser. I'm using Brave here and search for Start 11. And here in Start 11 you will have this stardoc.com website. Go to Start 11. Here click on Try Free and it will start downloading. If the download does not start, click here and save it anywhere you want and the download will begin. After the file is downloaded, go to this file and open this. Click on yes. You can close this and click on I agree, next, next, and it will continue the program. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes before it downloads. So after the download has finished, you will get this interface. Here the complete software is not free. So is what we need to do is again after clicking start your free trial, you'll get you'll get to see this. Here what you want to do is enter your email and this will send an this will send an verification email to your email. You can see I received the email and after I click activate 30-day free trial, validation successful. And now if I if I close this and go to this continue, your trial has been successfully activated. And I'll click finish and here we'll select center align and OK. Your Start 11 software will look like this. We'll select Windows 11 style, which will make our taskbar like this. Now we'll go to Configure menu, and here we'll go to Customize Visual Experience. Now here we need to menu background transparency level. We'll adjust it to 79% solid, and we'll go down and we'll go to round and turn all these on, and offset menu from the taskbar set it to never. And now go back, and here we scroll down and turn the VR remote desktop option on, and go to advanced settings, show recent, keep all this, go to this shortcut icon should be size large, and synchronize item this should be off, and use Windows this should be on, and other all keep it like this itself. And next go to start button, and keep set this to center line, and nothing we, and go to taskbar, and here and give uh, adjust taskbar transparency according to your wish. And now I will be selecting around 50% solid and depends on you, and select the taskbar to center align, and keep this off, and nothing more. After all these settings you can close this software, and now go to curtains and download the curtain setup. Click on yes, and now this is the same software which we use to round our windows corners. So I agree. Next, and I will start installing the curtains right now. And after it has successfully installed, again you need to start the 30-day trial over here, and do the same thing which we did for start 11. Nothing that you this time you don't need to go to your email, because start 11 and curtains are given by the same company, so there shouldn't be much of a problem. And now what we need to do is close this, copy this folder, go to this PC, go to your C drive, and create a new folder EF, and paste that here. Now here click on install curtain style, and now you'll see this 11 by Stardark curtains and Daniok. This, click on that, do not ask me again, yes please. And you can see my taskbar looks like Windows 11. Now right now what we need to do is, again, just we need to restart our computer right now. So let me restart it. I have successfully restarted my computer, and after installing that software my uh, wallpaper has changed, but I like this one. But for the more Windows 11 look, this time I'll just download one. I'll set one of these as my wallpaper, and set as just a background. And now my PC looks like Windows 11. Yeah, there are these files which don't look like 11 a little, but if you want we can make another video on that, so that even our icons look like Windows 11 this time, and you can see everything, it works everything like Windows 11. Even look at the file animation down here, it is just like Windows 11. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll meet you in next time in another video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and stay tuned. Bye bye.